In the previous video, I showed how to create an oscillator with 4 tables, which you control with this knob. You can control, you can sweep through all 4 of them. And now I'm going to show how to use an LFO instead of this knob. So let's say we want like a sine wave going sweeping through all these 4 tables back and forth. So we need the sine, and we also need the phasor like we used before. And now these will connect to, so like in our previous, we had the phasor connected to the frequency of the note, but here this is like an LFO. We'll use this float to define the frequency of our oscillator, for example 0.1 hertz, and we need the gate so that it switches on when the note is playing per voice. So now if we connect this to our mix value of our table oscillator, this sine wave would go between 1 and -1, but this mix value expects between 0 and 1. So we can multiply it. So the range of the sine wave, which at the moment is 2, going from -1 to 1, we want it to be 1. So we multiply it by 0.5. So now our sine wave coming out here goes from -0.5 to 0.5, which we connect there, but so we need to add another 0.5, so that now it goes from 0 to 1. So this knob is now not connected, and now we have our sine wave as an LFO controlling the oscillator. Okay, so we could make this faster. Let's say 3 times faster. Or slower, 0.05 of a hertz. We could also select a different wave. For example, let's say for our third waveform, we could have a triangle. Let's see. That's the triangle there. Actually, I'm going to show so it's coming back through triangle, this wave, and now the square wave. And going back to this one, triangle, etc. So that's basically how you use an LFO to control the waveform of your 4 tables oscillator.